What's up, everybody? This is Adam with Everyday Retro Gaming, and on this episode I'm going to show you how to factory reset your PlayStation TV. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure your PlayStation TV is turned off. Make sure it's plugged in with a power cable in the back, and make sure you got an HDMI cable running to your TV. So if you have anything plugged into the back, what you want to do is unplug it. So if you have a USB stick plugged in there, take that out. I like this little Samsung stick. It's very tiny, small footprint, and it's kind of rounded on the edges to match the PlayStation TV. Next, I would take out a memory card if you have one in there. I'm not sure if it formats it, but it's just best to be safe. You don't want that thing wiped if you don't need it to be. Next, you're going to hold down the PlayStation button in the back. There's a small little button on the right. Hold that down for 10 to 15 seconds. What that'll do is boot up your PlayStation TV in safe mode. Once you see safe mode, it'll probably ask you to plug in a wireless controller with a USB cable in the back. So whatever controller you use, whether it be a PlayStation 3 or a PlayStation 4 controller, plug in the appropriate cable, plug that cable into your PlayStation controller, and then get ready to hit that PlayStation button. Once you do, you should see a safe mode screen pop up with a few options. What you're going to want to do is go to number 4, which is restore this system. So go down, select that. Once you hit X, it should prompt you to reset the whole system. I am not going to do it because mine is hacked and I do not want to factory reset it. But once you do, that should wipe your parental controls on there and everything and get your PlayStation TV back to factory settings. Thanks for everyone that watched. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want to see more of this content. Stay retro, stay safe. I hope you find the games you're looking for, and we'll see you later. Have a good one.